Yes, AI creates mood boards in seconds. Creative people, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to go from ideas and inspirations to a AI generated visual language faster than ever before. So first, what is a mood board? In design, especially fashion, interiors or branding, mood boards are like visual pitch decks. They are used to communicate a vibe or a style before we get into actual design work. A mood board is a curated collection of images, colors, typography, textures, patterns, sometimes words or short phrases that together express a particular style or emotion or a concept. Think of it as a visual brainstorming board. It's all about visual language, and creating a great mood board means choosing images that feel right, not just look right. The reason mood boards work is because they speak through emotion. Designers use them to align vision with clients, teams, or even themselves. Mood boards clarify vision by communicating abstract ideas visually. Mood boards align stakeholders, so everyone can agree on one direction early on. They also inspire creativity by sparking ideas and setting that creative tone. Mood boards guide decisions, and they keep you on track by acting as a reference board throughout the project. But the hard part, curating those images takes forever. You scroll, save, arrange, reject, redo. And that's where AI steps in. So let's dive in and explore some AI tools that can create amazing mood boards for you. First up is Midjourney. This is the powerhouse of aesthetic generation. You run it through Discord, and the way it works is simple. Just type /imagine followed by your visual idea. Here you can type a prompt on the screen and begin with /imagine, like 90s Japanese streetwear, fashion editorial, muted color, soft lighting, collage style, and it will generate 4 options for you. It gives you exactly what you have imagined, but way cooler. And the results are often art-directed, detailed, and sometimes super mood-driven. You can upscale, remix, iterate quickly. If you are building a fashion story and say for a seasonal campaign or collection, this is your AI visualizer. You can also generate specific materials, textures for your posts. Let's try a few more. The pro tip here is to be specific and give detailed prompt. Include style areas, lighting, color palette, even camera angles. The more the detail, the more the magic. The next is DALL-E, now integrated right inside ChatGPT and great for conceptual or minimal looks. You can also use ChatGPT's assistance on what prompt to give DALL-E. Unlike Midjourney's dreamy style, DALL-E leans towards cleaner and more literal images. You get more control with the layout and the subject placement. Once the image is generated, you can edit and replace individual items on it. Want a clean shot of accessories on surfaces or an interior mood board inspired by a particular style? DALL-E nails it. Perfect for building brand decks or product mood boards. Once you get an entire mood board layout idea, you can generate individual images for better clarity and alternative options. Lumi is ultimate photo stock destination. It has massive library of AI-generated photos, illustrations, and 3Ds. Before I discovered Lumi AI, I used to use Pinterest for my stock images. But Lumi kind of gives wings to your imagination. Type in the keyword for the images you're looking for and get a massive stock to choose from. The resize and remove background options are available in the Pro version, but you can try how it works and decide if you want to opt for the Pro. I use the free version as I edit in other softwares. The best feature of this tool is that the images can be used anywhere for free. The quality of images is amazing and the variety is massive, so you can keep surfing till you find the right one. It's great for filler imagery that feels custom. No more stock image browsing for hours. The Pro version also provides image generation on prompts, suggests layout, spacing, even grouping based on visual similarity. It's not just pretty, it's structured. Perfect if you're pitching ideas to a team or building a case study for your collection. Now, the best mood boards usually check these 3 boxes. Mood boards should be emotionally consistent. They should have a cohesive color story and form language, and they should have narrative clarity. That is, they should tell a story. So when using AI, be intentional with your prompts. Think beyond style, think feeling. So are AI mood boards replacing designers? Not even close. But are they making the start of design process way faster and more visual? Absolutely. This is just one way in which AI is helping creatives focus more on thinking and less on gathering. We are just getting started. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI and design breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which AI prompt will you use next to create your mood board. Until then, keep creating.